Hello, this is Paul of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a black, beautiful 2018 Chrysler Pacifica with an automatic rear entry, wheelchair accessible ramp. 24692 is our stock number. Push button remote control rear entry, wheelchair accessible conversion. Converted right here by Freedom Motors USA. Here's our new logo. Pretty cool. Super cool. It's like a superhero in a wheelchair. This is awesome. Wheelchair accessible, brand new conversion. It's got 15,000 miles. Bucket seats in the second row. Rear air conditioning. Push button. Remote control. Power. There's two key fobs. One key fob goes to the rear wheelchair conversion, and then the other factory key fob that goes to the power rear hatch, and also includes two dual power sliding doors as well. This one's got bucket seats, leather interior, heated front seats in the front, Bluetooth for your radio, which controls your temperature as well as your radio stations. Brand new powder coated floor, absolutely gorgeous. Check this out, beautiful van, absolutely beautiful. Basically brand new. It's a 2018 with a brand new conversion, so the interior is like brand new. The exterior, it's got 15,000 miles, so it's like brand new, inside and out. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Look at the cluster, pretty cool cluster, beautiful color. 15,000 miles. I'll show you from the inside what it looks like when the ramp deploys. When you're inside the vehicle and the vehicle is off, you have the option of using your remote control key fob, or there's a button I'm going to show you here shortly on the dash where you can manually push the button on the dash to deploy and retract the power ramp. Freedom Motors USA, this is just one of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles we have in stock. We've been in business for over 30 years. We have sales reps in the field across the United States of America. We offer coast-to-coast delivery. We offer a huge selection of types of vehicles, not just minivans. We have cars, crossovers, trucks, Silverados, GMC Yukon, Denali's, Cadillac Escalades, Suburbans, GMC Sierras. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com to check out all of our. Here's that button I was telling you about. You push this button up or down to deploy or retract the power ramp. Vehicle has to be off. It will not work while it's running. Just a matter of seconds. This is great, especially in the Midwest where we live in Michigan. Great to get in and out quickly. Get on the road. Now we have conversions as well that have a transfer seat in the driver or passenger side. So this same type of conversion you're looking at here, we can make the driver's seat a power transfer seat, and you could transfer from your wheelchair into the driver's seat and take off, literally with virtually no help whatsoever from anyone, with the help of hand controls if necessary. Push button radio, or push button ignition. I love the dash, really cool, pretty blue colors. On 15,000 miles, got the factory balance of the warranty remaining. It's the Bluetooth button here. Watch, you push the VR. Set temperature to 73 degrees.
Setting temperature to 73 degrees.
Tune to FM 101.1.
Tuning to 101.1 FM.
Heated seats controls. Nice radio. Backup camera. Like brand new, gorgeous Pacifica 2018. Bluetooth audio. Dual power sliding doors, power rear hatch. Really, really nice van. If you're interested in this van, give us a call, 1-800-62-NEIL. It's 1-800-625-6335. You got the two remotes here. You got the factory remote control, which also has remote start as well. And then you got the Freedom Motors key fob for the wheelchair accessible conversion. Pretty cool. Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. Family owned business. Been in business for over 30 years. Working hard to make your lives easier with beautiful wheelchair accessible cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. freedommotors.com. Check out our entire inventory. Please click the subscribe button to the YouTube page. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.